Oh, okay. What I got it? Lagi sa nakaba. No, gusto mo nga isulit. Get some water and then I need Hindi, watch your body. Wait. Kapag yun. You want to sit in the car? Huh? You want to sit in the car? Okay, Darren, gusto namin na rin mag-sit sa car. Yeah. Tulog si Pogi. Ah. Si Pogi. Let me buy some Gatorade. This is 0.
and then right turn onto GA10 East.
Where are you sleeping again?
We're eating donuts. I have rib eye here, guys. Cooking some rib eyes, and I have this steak seasoning. Magluluto tayo ng steak today, guys. And steak.
Leon, can you get the box there? The white box, yeah.
Use the
Am I using pamay pa?
gloves because it's cold.
That one.
Paper run! Paper run!
It's not Marble one.
Is this a clean gloves? Kasi in-expose mo to sa ano eh. Sobrang lamig sa labas. Nagpunta kami ng Walmart at bumili ng gloves, bumili ng bonnet kasi sobrang lamig talaga, guys. And we're going to Illinois to travel kasi bisitahin namin yung pinsan ko doon. And baka sobrang lamig doon at nag-i-snow. Wala kaming bonnet, gloves at tsaka bumili na rin ako ng ibang jacket for Liam kasi mura na. Sobrang lamig, oy. Maybe tomorrow punta kami dun sa sa may area na na nandun yung may tubing at saka yung may snow doon. So punta kami dun para naman mag-enjoy yung mga kids. So right now we're gonna prepare our dinner. Yan.
You have rice lang, mommy?
Yeah, yung kanina. Hindi na, marami na yung rice kasi meron pang corn. What's that? And you wanna go to outside, Liam?
No, wait! Where are the posters?
Yan na naman kaya.
Where are the posters?
No. What are you doing?
Where are the posters?
Posters, what? What are you doing? No banging.
Where are the posters?
What buster?
Where are the posters?
We're gonna season, like season. Yan na siya. Whoa, it's really good. And I think I'm just gonna cook some vegetables. Kumain ako na kanina ng salad, so maybe I have to cook some corn.
Mommy,
Ah,
I don't think maluluto.
pag hindi maluto, may option naman tayo kasi may kulutuan naman tayo. Dagdagan mo ng uling para dyan tayo magluto pa ng ibang klaseng putahe. We put garlic. Garlic is good. I love garlic. Masahin. Masahin ng mabuti ang isa to sa paborito kong pagkain, guys. Steak. Expensive, but you have a good meal. You have a good dinner kahit mahal. Ayan. Tapos na magkuha tayo ng butter. Okay na yan siya. Tapos ka na lang ganito kung pupunta ka ng labas kasi hindi naman na yan. Yan.
Stop. It's cold. Oh my God, it's cold.
Our steak. Oh my God, it's so windy.
Wala na, patay na.
Hindi yan namamatay. Takpan mo lang. Tsaka kulang pa ng apoy.